Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve this question. X squared is equal to 17x plus y squared is equal to x plus 17y, and x not equal to y. We need to find the value of square root of x squared plus y squared plus 1. So most of the students will try to find out the x value and y value, and then they will plug it here. But for this question, we have to think out of the box. We will try to manipulate the given equation so that we will get the answer easily and quickly. I'll show you how to do that. So I have written the equations here. As a first step, I'm going to subtract the equations. So all the signs gets changed, as you know. It will be x squared minus y squared is equal to 17x minus x is 16x. Y minus 17y is minus 16y. Now we know that this is an algebraic identity, algebraic formula. Difference of two squares, x squared minus y squared, that can be written as x plus y times x minus y. Now I am taking the greatest common factor out from the right side. So this will become 16 multiplied by x minus y. It's also given in the question that x not equal to y. So if I bring this here, x minus y not equal to 0. That means I can cancel out these two factors. I left with x plus y is equal to 16. Keep this in mind. We are going to use this result. Now, let me continue in the next whiteboard. Writing the equation, x squared is equal to 17x plus y squared is equal to x plus 17y. This time what I am going to do, I am going to add the equations. So it's so simple. Add the left side separately, x squared plus y squared. Add the right side separately. Combine the like terms. 17x plus x is 18x plus y plus 17y is 18y. Now there is no formula for x squared plus y squared. Let me keep it the same. X squared plus y squared is equal to 18 is the greatest common factor. I am taking it out. So 18 multiplied by x plus y. Now I have the value for x plus y. We got it in the previous whiteboard. X plus y is equal to 16. I am going to substitute it here, which will become x squared plus y squared is equal to 18 times 16. Now 18 times 16 is 288. Okay. Now I am nearing the answer. The question is to find x squared plus y squared plus 1. But I have already x squared plus y squared equal to 288. Now question is to find out square root of x squared plus y squared plus 1. The value of x squared plus y squared already, which is 288. 288 plus 1 is equal to square root of 289, and that is equal to 17. So this is the answer, isn't it? I hope you understood each and every step, kids. Thank you so much for watching. Please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more exciting videos. Take care, stay safe.